In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to product descriptions in Shopify. Adding images directly into your product description is a great way to make your store more engaging, show details more clearly, and help customers understand exactly what they're buying. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to place images right where you want them in the text. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. This is the main admin area where you manage everything for your shop: products, orders, customers, and more. Make sure you're on the home or main admin screen so the left-hand menu is visible. Next, look at the menu on the left and click on Products. This will take you to a list of all the products in your store. If you have a lot of products, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you want to edit. Now, click on the product you'd like to add an image to in the description. This opens the product details page. Here you'll see fields for the product title, media gallery, pricing, inventory, and importantly, the description area in the middle of the page. Scroll down to the description section. Inside this text editor, you'll see a row of formatting icons. Similar to a simple word processor, look for the small image icon, which is usually a picture or a landscape symbol, and click it. This tells Shopify you want to insert an image at the point where your text cursor is placed, so position your cursor in the description first, where you want the image to appear. A pop-up window will appear showing your existing Shopify files. From here, select the image you'd like to insert into the description. If the image you need isn't already in your files, click the option to add or upload an image, then choose the file from your computer. Give it a moment to upload, and once it appears in the list, click on it to select it. After choosing your image, click Done. Shopify will automatically insert the image into your product description where your cursor was. You can click on the image in the editor to adjust its alignment or move it around if needed. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the top or bottom of the product page. This makes sure your changes go live on your storefront. Once it's saved, you can preview your product page